What actually happens to your body if you eat just one meal a day? Not guesswork, hour by hour. Because after a few hours, your body starts doing something most people never experience. Meet Alex. Busy schedule, low energy, tried everything. Diets, workouts, shortcuts, nothing stuck. Then he tried something extreme. One meal a day. 23 hours fasting. One solid meal. At first, it felt impossible, but what happened next surprised him. Right after his last meal, his body is doing what it always does, burning through glucose from the food. Insulin is elevated, energy is stable, everything feels normal. It's like a car running on a full tank. But a few hours later, things begin to shift. As glucose levels drop, the body turns to stored glycogen, mainly in the liver. By around 10 to 12 hours, those reserves start running low. Hunger increases, energy might dip slightly. This is the point where most people feel uncomfortable and quit. But here's the key. The body isn't running out of energy. It's preparing to switch fuel sources. Around 12 to 16 hours, that switch begins. Instead of relying on sugar, the body starts breaking down stored fat into molecules called ketones. These ketones become an alternative fuel source, especially for the brain. And this is where many people notice something unexpected. Energy becomes more stable. Focus sharpens. The usual afternoon crash disappears. It's like switching from a flickering power supply to something much more steady. But this next phase is where things get really interesting, and where most of the deeper benefits come from. If you're finding this video useful so far, take a second to tap the like and subscribe button. It helps the algorithm push this video to more people. Thank you. As the fast continues towards 16 to 24 hours, the body increases a process known as autophagy. This is your internal cleanup system. Old, damaged cellular components are broken down. Waste is cleared out. Useful parts are recycled. Instead of constantly processing new food, your body finally gets time to repair itself. Then comes the moment Alex has been waiting for, that one meal. After nearly a full day of fasting, his body is primed to absorb nutrients efficiently. But this part matters more than people think. If the meal is balanced, rich in protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients, the body uses it to rebuild, recover, and restore energy stores effectively. Over time, many people doing this experience fat loss, better control over hunger, and improved metabolic function. But here's what most people don't tell you. This approach isn't magic. Some people struggle with intense hunger, fatigue, or irritability. Others may not get enough nutrients if that one meal isn't well planned. In some cases, it can even lead to muscle loss or hormonal stress if done poorly. And for certain individuals, especially depending on lifestyle or health conditions, this kind of extreme restriction may not be ideal long term. So what's really going on here? At its core, eating one meal a day trains your body to become more metabolically flexible. Instead of constantly depending on incoming food, your body learns how to tap into stored energy efficiently and consistently. That's the real advantage. So what happens if you eat one meal a day? Your body gradually shifts from burning sugar to burning fat. It produces ketones for more stable energy. It activates internal repair systems. And if done properly, it can improve how your body manages energy overall. But only if it's done right, with proper nutrition, awareness, and sustainability. Because in the end, the goal isn't just to eat less. It's to make your body work better. So, would you try eating one meal a day? Or does it sound too extreme? Let me know what you think in the comments.